crucial for every company is to create a common culture. It doesn't matter where we are living. We are sharing the same values, the same ambitions, and of course we have a strength in this company because the owners of the company, they are visible, they are here, they are taking part and they are sharing their expectation on us. And of course, by having this close relation that we have in between each other for many years and also in between our employees and the owners, that makes this company different. And I think that part is really one of the key to succeed in continue to developing the company in the fantastic way we have done the last 45 years. The idea behind it is of course, first of all, we would like to inspire all of us to come together and share the ambitions that we have together. But we have also learned from the previous meetings that we need to get people closer to each other and give opportunities not just to listen, also to communicate and interact much more. We are a sales team. We have the most professional sales guys in the company gathered, and they are experts in exhibitions because that's the normal way we are meeting customers. And for us in this meeting, all people that are in the meeting attending, these are our customers. For the Polish organization, developing the products, working with marketing and of course also producing the products, we are giving them a fantastic opportunity to have in 3 days very good meetings with their customers. And I don't see a better way of gathering the group than this. I'm pretty sure that we will have positive feedback from this event. And that makes me really proud to be the leader of a company like this.